No, no, this is APN setting. Now let me copy the setting again. Copy, send this one. I send this SMS to this GPS SIM card. If it gets message back, it means APN set is okay.